Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome Miss Cherries and thank you for clicking this video. So today we are going to be trying out the new Holiday 2021 collection from DIOR or The Atelier of Dreams, and I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's get into the video. DIOR came out with a lot of products for their Holiday 2021 collection. I mean, huge collection. So I only picked out 3 items from the Atelier of Dreams, or items that really piqued my interest. So I'm gonna show you first the item that I have been wanting to try. I've never tried blushes from DIOR. I've been wanting to try out their blushes, so I decided to get this new one. This is not exactly new. I did not know this one when I purchased this blush. So let me look at my phone how much I paid for this. Okay, so this one it retails for, I think, oh my god, $46. So came with this box, and this one, this blush is the shade 601 Hologram. This is made in France, I think. Yeah, France, with a shelf life of 12 months. So let me show you guys. This is the pouch it came with the blush. So this is the packaging. It's plastic like their palettes. And let me remove this brush that I don't really use. And okay, so in person it's very glittery, but the embossing is very beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys. This is so beautiful. I'm not sure you can see it on camera. It's very glittery. I'm gonna swatch this one later, guys. I'm gonna show you the next item that I got. Okay, so they came out with 2 palettes, or mini eyeshadow palettes, and or quints, I should say. Excuse the noise. Okay, so this one retails for, I think, how much did I pay for this one? Checking on my phone right now. Okay, $65. I think usually more expensive than their, I think, non-limited edition quints. So this one is made in France, sorry, with a shelf life of this one six months. Okay, so 6 months for $65. Okay. All right, so this is the shade the Atelier 739 House of Dreams. The reason why I purchased this one because of the gray shade from the mini palette. They came out with 2 quints, the other one with the gold in the middle, but this one really caught my interest. So I really love the gray shade in here. And let me remove this. And same beautiful embossing. I mean, everything about this new collection is so beautiful. And I'm gonna show you the inside. The last item, this one, the reason why I purchased this lipstick, so they came out with different lipsticks. The reason why I purchased this specific lipstick because of the packaging, that's all. But the packaging looks really funny. This looks really looks really funny. It looks like a butt plug. I don't know. Just looks really weird, but this feels really nice. Feels a little heavy, feels expensive. This packaging, it's nicer than the rest of the products I have in here. So this is very beautiful. And let me show you guys the inside of this. So you just gonna have to twist. It's a magnetic type packaging, and I'm gonna show you guys the embossing of this. And oh my god, everything is so beautiful. I don't even wanna touch the products. Oh my god. So this is the shade 074 Rose. I'm just gonna type down the name of this one. I don't even know how to pronounce this. So this is a Satin Finisher. They came up with different finishes, different lipsticks, different packaging. So like I said, huge collection, and I'm very excited to try this out. So this one, I think it's, oh my god, I don't even know, like 40 Oh my god, I'm looking at my phone right now. It's $40. Yes, $40. But the packaging though. Alright, so that's enough. I'll show you guys the palette right now, and the eyeshadow palette or the quint. So this is the quint. This is more of a cool tone, a neutral palette, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna swatch the shades. Let me swatch these. So with Dior eyeshadows, they're not very pigmented. They're not known for their pigmented eyeshadows, matte eyeshadows, or like satin eyeshadows, but they look so elegant on the eyes, like perfect for somebody who doesn't want to wear too much makeup. So this is um the first shade, the lightest shade. Oh my goodness, I thought almost dropped the thing. You see guys, they are very light, very cool tone neutral. And this is the darker shade. You can see they are not exactly matte shades, and then the last one is a darker shade. So as you can see guys, they are not very pigmented. Oh my god, I'm so sad. Oh, I can't get over with this. The embossing got ruined. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this like peachy brown cotton shade. On the promo pictures, this one and the other one, they look very dark, like darker in person. So let me know guys if you bought both coins. So I'm very interested to hear your opinions about the new coins from Dior. So see, it's not showing up on my skin right now. It's way too bright. So I may have to try this out. This one is a very light brownish gray. Yeah, this is way too light for my skin. I don't know what's going on. I'm using the reference number 16 brush. So this color is way too light for my skin, and I'm not even that dark, and this color is not showing up on my skin. Very disappointed with these two shades. So let me move into another one. Oh my god, this is so okay. So let me get this one. I'm gonna use the same brush, but this one's a little better. So I just wish these two were pigmented. Oh my god, I'm not really like digging this new coin from Dior. First time that I'm struggling. I'm gonna go on with the darker shade, this brown. Okay, this one's deep enough. This is pretty, but I wish the rest of the three shades just applied were a little bit more pigmented. So now I'm gonna apply this gray shade. I don't think that I swatched this. Look at that. That is so, oh my god, so finely milled, shiny. Feels really nice. Wow, so I cannot wait to apply this on my lids. So I'm gonna use my finger first. It's what I always do all the time. I'm gonna reapply this silver gray metallic shade with a damp brush, and look at that, with a damp brush. That is so nice. Wow, this is so beautiful. Okay, so here's the closer look of the gray shade. I'm gonna have to reapply the dark brown shade on the edge, but so beautiful. This is beautiful. This gray shade. The reason why I bought this one because it's this gray, metallic gray shade. Not chunky at all, no fallout at all. This is so beautiful. So I'm gonna put on false lashes, the rest of my makeup except for the blush and lipstick, and I'll be right back. Alright, so moving on, I am gonna use this Hologram blush in 601 Hologram. And I'm gonna show you guys inside again. And let me swatch this. So I'm swirling. Oh my god, very glittery. And it's not showing up on my skin. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, this is very glittery. It's not opaque, but more like glittery. Oh my god, I feel like it's not gonna show. So let's see. I'm gonna use this brush and let's go apply this one. I'm gonna pick the top off a little bit. And oh yeah, very I don't know if you can see on my skin, that is very glittery. You can see the glitters on my cheek, on this right cheek. I think this would be great as highlighter, but not a blush. This is too glittery. I'm not sure if you can see on the camera. I think I'm gonna like this one as a highlighter, but as a blush, I don't think so. This is not gonna show up on you guys. Maybe very fair, light skin tones, but for my medium neutral, this is just way too light and very glittery. See that? So I'm gonna show you guys the highlighter that I use as a highlighter and also as a blush because it's very pigmented, very opaque. So this is from the DIOR again, DIOR Forever 06 Coral Glow, and I'm gonna show you guys a swatch of this. You can see that it is a little more pigmented than this. So this one is a little more pigmented, even though this is a highlighter. So not a big fan of this. This is definitely not for me. Okay, so I'm gonna apply a little bit more, I guess. Yeah. No, this is not for me. You know what? I'm gonna use this one on top of this. It's just way too light. So I wasn't really feeling the blush at all. It was so glittery. The more I applied it, the more it got really glittery. Okay, so I added a little bit of the DIOR highlighter. I use that one as a blush and highlight because it's pigmented enough for my skin. And yeah, so moving on, I'm gonna use this Rouge Couture, or the Diorific Rouge Couture Longwear True Color Lipstick. So I have the shade in 074, and this is a satin lip color. Let me open this up. And I'm gonna swatch this. So this is a satin finish. Oh wow, I think this would go well with this makeup. I think. So I think it's a little bit warm, but let's see. And almost like a metallic finish on the lips. I'm gonna tell you what I think about this new collection from DIOR. So this one is the 739 Atelier of Dreams. The reason why I bought this one because of the gray metallic shade, although I have a lot of metallic gray shades in my other palettes, but this one really piqued my interest. So the only shades that really work on my skin tone, that showed up on my skin tone, were these two shades. The gray, metallic gray shade on my lid, and this dark brown shade. These three shades barely showed up on my skin, especially these two. These two were so light for my medium neutral skin. So if you're darker, I think you're gonna struggle with these two shades because of they're so light. So I had to like mix all the three shades together. With this one was a little bit better, but it was still a little bit light for my liking. So overall, I was very disappointed. Although this makeup so pretty, I was just, I was disappointed. All the shadows, they were so light. So only two shades for $65. I mean, I could buy like, I already have the Natasha Denona Glam palette. I would use the palette same price as this one because every shade from the palette works on my skin. So this one I'm very disappointed, although it looks really pretty, but only two shades really showed up on my skin. Alright, so next one is the blush. So my camera is dying. Okay, so next one is the blush. Another disappointed with this one. Okay, so this one was so glittery. The more I apply this one, the more it got very glittery. So I think this would be really nice as a highlighter, but I did not buy this one as a highlighter. I bought this one as a blush. So very glittery, very sparkly. I just wish it was pigmented. For the price, $46. I would rather use my NARS palette, the new one. They're from their holiday collection, almost the same price. So yeah, I'm very disappointed with this. So glittery, so light. Very disappointed. I'm just so disappointed with this collection. So the only product that I like is this one right here, but not. Oh my god, I have a lot of lipsticks. Even from the drugstore, way better than this one. So I still really like this one. I like the packaging. It looks really, weird, but I really like this one. Feels really nice. I'm wearing this one with the Huda Beauty lip liner in the shade pinky brown. I like this color. Doesn't really go well with this makeup, but the formulation's nice, applied smoothly. It was very pigmented. So I think this one, not my favorite, but it was an okay product overall. Oh my god, I don't know what's going on right now. I've been disappointed with the products that I purchased, reviewed on my channel. Yeah, so let me know guys what you think about this new collection from DIOR The Atelier of Dreams. What you guys think about the pigmentation, everything. Please comment down below. So this is the end of my video. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching. This is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.